Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A25 and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app. And currently we are in the standard photo mode, and we can take a look at this option bar at the top. On the third position from the left we've got the timer, so let's tap on it, and as you can see we've got 4 different options, so off, 2, 5 and 10 seconds delay. So all you have to do is to tap on the option like to use. I will choose 10 seconds. As you can see, the icon will change slightly, it will be also highlighted, so you can always check whether you've got the timer set or not. And then simply tap on this shutter button, and from now on your device will count down from 10, 2 or 5, of course depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will simply take a photo. Alright, of course you can change it, you can change it to 5.2 or turn it off just by tapping on this icon, and from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.